Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices and making one clear decision, wired or wireless. Plug the original USB cable into phone and laptop. When the phone prompts, choose File Transfer or Transfer Photos. If using Android, enable USB debugging only if needed. On iPhone, trust this computer. Make sure the laptop recognizes a new device in File Explorer or Finder. Once done, open the Photos app or File Manager on the laptop so you're ready to import immediately and avoid time-consuming guesswork. Now perform the actual transfer and keep an eye on settings to avoid duplicates. In Photos or File Explorer, select Import from the connected device, pick the album or individual images, and choose a destination folder on your laptop. For Mac OS, use Image Capture or Finder for iPhone. If wireless, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi. Start Wi-Fi transfer in the phone app or use Google Photos/iCloud Sync and wait until upload completes before downloading. Make sure to monitor progress and cancel only if you plan to restart. Finish by verifying that photos opened correctly on your laptop and that file sizes match expectations. Only then delete originals if you need the space. If the transfer stalls or the laptop doesn't show files, unplug, try another USB port or cable, restart both devices, and reconnect while ensuring the phone is in the proper transfer mode. Also install or update vendor drivers or apps like iTunes or Smart Switch if needed. One key tip: restart processes instead of repeatedly copying partial files to avoid corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.